My parents divorced when I was about 9 years old. As a child, I witnessed the horrors of alcoholism and domestic abuse. As a child that was raised by a single mother, it was important to me that I have a family and that my children not have to go through those struggles. I have 5 children, 16 grandchildren, and 7 great-grandchildren with 2 more on the way. So family is a big part of my life.
Being able to practice with my father has really given me a leg up. He was practicing law when some of the people who are judges nowadays were still in grade school. He's a leader and he's built that into me. Through his leadership and through watching his leadership, I've learned to lead people through being decisive, through showing integrity and doing what's right.
I sent my son on summer vacation with his dad. Literally within a couple of days after his dad picked him up, received serving paperwork saying that my son wasn't going to be able to come back at all. And then dad had sent his phone back to me, so no communication at all. It was just completely shocking, and I didn't even know where else to turn to. As soon as I hired Daniels and Taylor, they had promised me we would be able to get my son back in state, have him visit us, and have phone communication again. We went to court. We were able to come to a mediation between both of us where it was beneficial for our son, and we're able to co-parent without having to argue. I would recommend Daniels and Taylor because they are very intensive, great with communication, there for emotional support as well. Tony and Russell are amazing, and I would use them again.
Roughly 12 years ago, I reached out to Daniels and Taylor to work on a custody issue for me. I ended up with custody of both of my sons. Russell and I have been in court probably 12 to 15 times. Without him, it would have been a struggle, to say the least. Tony and Russell are like the legal extension of my family. It doesn't feel like they are a company working on my behalf. It feels like we're all in this together. I recommend Daniels and Taylor because they insert themselves in the process and then they go through the entire process with you.
We are from Gwinnett. My dad's practiced in Gwinnett County for all of his career. And because we have been here, we know about the judges.
And it's important to understand and know what those judges' tendencies are so that you are prepared to address those tendencies to meet the needs of your individual clients.
It's very important to know about the people who are going to be affecting the rest of your life.
Daniels and Taylor is here to help anyone going through the toughest times of their life involving family, children, and finances.
Here at Daniels and Taylor, our main goal is to help people in their most desperate times, in the most uncertain times, and to guide them in the right direction.